Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi. I will be doing a small Meijer haul after this, but I don't have a ton to get this week. Because I did a double haul last week, I have a lot of food in my pantry and freezer to use up. I based my meals around that, but we're still going to get some goodies. Let's go in, see what they have, and don't forget, Super Bowl this weekend, so I need some snacks for that as well. I have a feeling you guys will be seeing these for a while. Elsie goes and kicks it for lunches, and dried strawberries are back in at $2.59. So I originally bought these for Calvin, thinking he'd like them at his lunch. He doesn't love them, but my husband and Mila love these. Big hit. I'm probably going to get them for them again, $2.99. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to put the hazelnut cookies back, and I'm going to get these for $1.89. I think Mila would really like those as well. Since we just have these, I thought it'd be fun to get something new. Elsie does not want something new. She likes what she likes. She wants these in her lunch, $1.89. We're making queso with the Velveeta, or the Clancy's Velveeta I got last week. But I want these for the Super Bowl, hint of lime, $1.95. And I also have big plans for this, for soft pretzels at the Super Bowl, and for Cal's lunch. And I like there's a lot of these savings, $1.79. Bananas actually look really good this week. They've been kind of iffy here lately. I'm gonna get 2 bunches at 49 cents per pound. I'm making a lo mein dish, and I need fresh broccoli for that, $1.89 per pound. I also want peas for the lo mein, $2.39. I need another thing of cucumbers, $1.89 for these. I'm gonna get 2 bags. Mila's really love the salad. I'm actually gonna get, not this one, because I don't want the $1 off, but we're gonna have this with a pasta dinner, $3.29. I need more mandarins for Cal's lunches, $2.99. And then Mila wants Granny Smith apples, $3.49 per bag. And then I'm gonna make applesauce, so I'm gonna get a bag of gala apples at $2.49. A lot of staples were taken care of when I did my double haul last week to do the price comparison, but I need more butter, $3.79. I'm making chicken and dumplings with homemade mashed potatoes, but I need corn as a side for that, 63 cents. I'm gonna get 3 cans. Elsie wanted me to cut her peppers, so I'm gonna get a 3-pack of colored peppers here. They are $2.69. And then I need to get celery for Calvin's lunch and for chicken and dumplings, $1.69. I'm doing a 3-day fast, and when I break the fast, I like to have avocados. I just gotta find good mini avocados. These feel like they'll be good, $2.95. I need soy sauce for lo mein that I'm making later this week. I'm just running low, $1.55. It's not often I come down the baking and pasta aisle and I have to get nothing. I just have everything on hand for the meals I'm making, including frozen chicken. But that doesn't mean if it was 50% off, I wouldn't get it. But there's no sale to take advantage of. Wait. Oh wait, it's only 30% and it's thighs. Never mind. I love jalapeno peppers, but no one in my family likes them. And yes, I know I can make them for less expensive, but this is so easy. I can have it on Super Bowl and I don't have to worry about everyone else. I can just put this. So this is a win for Mom. I'm definitely getting this, and it's gonna make my Super Bowl much better. Yay, I'm excited. So the cases are really well stocked. Last week I had issues showing you much, but they have these mini meatballs, which I still have in my freezer and I've never used. They have Parmesan chicken patties. I have loved those in the past. They're $9.99 and you get 6 pieces. They have buffalo style wings, crispy fried chicken, breast here, beef dumplings and chicken dumplings. They have different rolls over here, stuffed pretzels, heart-shaped potato bites. I actually feel like my family would really like those. Oh, lordy. It's a miracle. So $6.49 mini corn dogs. This is one thing I really wanted for the Super Bowl. My husband and I both love these, so I'm gonna get them. I thought I'd have to get them at Meijer though. Aldi always surprises me. They have the I don't know how to say that. They have the, some people love it. I've never bought it. The ribs. They have bagel bites. And they do have pepperoni in another area, $6.49. Different pizzas. The taquitos are still here. Breaded cheese curds. Yum. Kung Pao broccoli. Pierogies, lobster, fish. Rose cones are $3.99. And I see something. So jalapenos make mom happy. Mini corn dogs make mom happy. The rest of my family will be happy with these. $4.29. Not my cup of tea, but they will love them. We've been drinking a lot of this water, so I'm actually going to get 2 cases at $3.79. Lemon is my family's favorite. I like them all. My husband is making dessert pizza again, and he wanted me to get the Mama Cozy's dough. I had to be careful though because this is their normal dough, which works great. I almost grabbed the jalapeno dough, which I actually be interested in trying. I just don't have a plan for it, so I'm not sure if I'll grab it this week. I haven't seen it at our Aldi. I've seen other people mention it. I'm trying to see what, I don't see a date on any of these though. I'm not sure. But I think that'd be yummy to make like calzones out of. $1.19. I'll have to remember that for next week maybe. Seeing these biscuits, I'm going to make homemade biscuits to go with my chicken and dumplings, but it's very tempting to get those for ease, but I love homemade biscuits. I need shredded cheddar, $3.79. Okay, so our cats are very spoiled. I mean, I think most people like to spoil their pets, but this seems really nice. I don't really want the toys, but I like that this mat seems like something our cats would like, that it's self-warming. So I'm gonna get this and I'll post on Instagram if I can catch them using it, but I think my 2 cats will like this. $9.99. One thing that I love is they have these reusable foldable utility totes back. They have polka dots. This one looks like it has like percolators on it, flowers, which is the one that I like the best, and then just this design. Super cute. I use mine all the time. Part of me wants to upgrade simply because I like this design, but I don't need more. They last for a very long time, but that's one of my favorite ways that I use or carry my groceries. You can see I have one here. I have another one in my van. Another cool thing that they have is this giant wok for $12.99. That's awesome. I use my wok. I'll use it Friday when I make lo mein. Still have a cake stand, different serving items. They have these football trays, which I'm excited to have yummy foods for football, but I don't need anything to serve it. I think these are funny, but again, storage, organization, not my strong suit. Everything else looks pretty much what we've had. I do like the triple slow cooker. Soup bar, anyone? $34.99. Cute shaped pans. Rice cooker, use that all the time. They also have these bag savers, which I think is pretty nice. Shower corner stand, different bathroom, trash bags, lots of organization stuff here. And it's full. I love these barbecue sauces. We use them on our grill in the summer. So yummy. This actually sounds really good to me too. Honey sesame dipping sauce, yummy, $2.89. They have a few flavors, Thai sweet and spicy chili and hoisin dipping sauce. Best part of the haul, running into my bestie.
PSA, check your moles. Just got one freezed. So.
You heard it here first. Can't take her anywhere. Right in the door. We only have a few plants left and they're $14.99. I think Gentry's gonna make it 3 left.
I'm gonna call him Herman.
Meet Herman, everyone.
It's a little heavier than anticipated.
Goodbye. Okay, I don't have too much to get here, but here's what I have. Any guess on my total before we head to Meijer? Okay, my total is $89.76. I got groceries and I got to see my best friend. What a deal. Okay, now we're at Meijer. We're gonna finish up the grocery list and then we'll go home and see the meal plan. My son is having a sleepover this weekend and he asked if we could have a dragon fruit for that time because his friend loves dragon fruit. So that was one of his 2 requests for this week. So I'm gonna get this one. It's $4.99 and they'll have it with part of their breakfast this weekend. I'm gonna get cream soda, which is on sale if you buy 2, but I don't want, oh, that's only an 8-pack? I feel gypped. I thought it was a 12-pack. But let's see, $3.79. We don't want to have caffeine at Super Bowl and then have the kids go to bed. So we're gonna get this. I'm going to Gordon Food Service to get some pickles to fry, and I was debating whether I got onion rings here or there, but they're $5. They don't have options, so I'm gonna just wait and get them from Gordon's. The Meijer brand is sold out. I'm really happy to see goldfish are on sale. One, my son has been asking, and I told him the next time they're on sale I'd get some, and then my high schooler just texted me that these sounded so good to her and asked if I could get her some before basketball, so I'm going to get 5 because you have to buy 5 or more to get the sale price. And so I'm gonna get 3 of the extra cheddar and 2 of the pizza. Okay, my local Meijer doesn't have the Meijer brand pretzels, and I forgot to see if my Aldi has them back in stock today. So I might have to go back to Aldi to see. I do not want to pay this price, but we also were thinking of getting this for the Super Bowl, the Milwaukee Bavarian Beast. They also have smaller ones, but this is so expensive by comparison to the ones from Aldi or the Meijer brand. So I'm actually gonna pass on these. Oh, look, this is what I'm looking for. It's gone. Elsie's apple juice is on sale, $2.79. Whew, that was a close one. Mila's Super Bowl request was these chips, and oh my lord, they're on sale. Yay, $3.59. And it's part of the buy 5 get 5, so I've already hit my 5. I get the sale price. So Kel's 2 requests for the sleepover. One was to have the dragon fruit, and then the other one was Takis. Now I can get this for very little more than a smaller bag, but I have to buy 2 of them. I don't know that I want 2 of these in my cupboard at a time. They wouldn't last long. I don't know. I think I'm still gonna get the less expensive one. Even though this isn't on sale, I don't really want to buy 2 family size ones. $4.79. This is a staple last minute resort that we can add fruit and vegetable to. My kids love this. It's vegetarian. It's on sale for $1.09. I'm gonna get 5 of them. Okay, so I reached the area that has everything I need for lo mein. So I need lo mein noodles. This is a 14-ounce box. They're on sale for $3.99, I think. Those are a little much. Yep, $3.99. And then, oh wait, these are the, wait, I take it back. I do like those. These are the ones I like the most. I didn't see them at first. $1.99, 10 ounces, so yummy. But then we add a lot of vegetables to it, but my kids really love the baby corn. Let's see. We're gonna get the Dynasty kind, $1.85, and then we also always add water chestnuts, and the Meijer ones are on sale for $1.19. I used the rest of my ground ginger last night making butter chicken, which we're having leftovers of tonight, so I need more of this, $4.29. So we're doing Super Bowl squares at our house. We've done this the last few years where no one bets or puts money in, but we just have prizes for each quarter. And one of them is going to be candy, so I'm going to do this. We all love Twin Snakes, $6.99. That'll be one of the prizes, and I know everyone in my family would be happy to win that. I also got a Starbucks $5 gift card. We're going to do $5 cash, and I'm not sure what else, but that will be a big win. I saw this at Meijer. Look how pretty that is. It's such a pretty crock pot. It's in their design series. $24.99. I love my little small crock pot. I don't need a new one, but if I did, that'd be the one. Where are my kids? I can embarrass them in front of the screen at Meijer. Go team! After forgetting to check if Aldi had pretzels and then Meijer being a flop, I drove right back to Aldi because I need them for my son's lunch and I don't want to buy them somewhere else more expensive if I can avoid it. Success, they have them, and look what else they have. Mac and cheese bites, stuffed jalapenos, great game day stuff, but I'm gonna get 2 boxes of these at $2.49. So glad I didn't buy the $7 ones at Meijer. Woohoo! Now we'll go home and see the meal plan. Okay, so I just realized that I didn't show you my total at Meijer. It was $51.56. Guys, I know my cat's well. This has been out, I don't know, 40 minutes? Maybe. I'm not even done editing my video. And look who found it. He's the lounger of the world. Do you like it, Colty? Should everyone buy these for their kitty cats? Yes? You're welcome, buddy. I'm glad you like it. Now let's see the meal plan. Okay, I'm back from shopping. Tonight, Monday, we are having leftover butter chicken. I made this last night. It was supposed to be on last week's meal plan Saturday, but it got bumped to Sunday, which means I get a nice, easy Monday leftover night. Tuesday is a fundraiser for my kids' school at a local restaurant called Kazoopies. I'm actually starting my 3-day fast before dinner, so my family can each order. They have warm subs or personal pizzas. It's a great local place and it supports our kids' school. Double win for me. Also, if I'm not eating and I don't have to cook, that's a triple win. Wednesday, we're doing buttered pasta, and everyone can either add Parmesan or pesto. We can have red sauce, kind of a build your own pasta. The salad kit, and then I have Rhodes rolls in the oven. I have Rhodes rolls in the freezer that I found to use up. Thursday, I'll make sheet pan blueberry pancakes. I have everything on hand to make those. I have frozen blueberries and the basic baking necessities, eggs, vanilla. I love a recipe from the Pioneer woman, Ree Drummond. And then the leftovers are great because I can freeze them. Hash browns and applesauce, very family-friendly meal that I also don't feel super bad about missing out on, even though I like it. And then Friday is finally the day I'll break my fast. And then for dinner, we're gonna have lo mein. We are also going to a hockey game, a different fundraiser for our kids' school. So it'll be a quick evening, and lo mein is a really easy dinner to get ready ahead of time, and it comes together quickly. Plus it's chock full of veggies, and everyone in my family actually really likes this. Saturday, I'm making chicken and dumplings. I make this homemade. I have pretty much everything on hand for this, but I did need more butter for the mashed potatoes and the biscuits. But I have a ton of onions. I needed celery for the chicken and dumplings. I have frozen chicken. And I needed corn as well because I wanted to have that as a side. My husband's been wanting this dinner. We always have leftovers of this. So Sunday we'll have leftover mashed potatoes, chicken and dumplings. That'll probably be eaten like a late lunch. And then we'll have Super Bowl snacks. So I'm going to Gordon's in a few days and I'm gonna get fried pickles and probably onion rings. We're gonna have soft pretzels, chips and salsa, chips and the spicy chips. My husband's making his dessert pizza, the cream soda, very snacky. We're gonna have fun. We watch it as a family. Some of my husband's immediate family comes over. Very simple but fun. The reason I love the Super Bowl is tradition, snacks, commercials, Super Bowl squares, very fun. The sheet pan pancakes are super simple. They're in this cookbook. I love them. I use both of these cookbooks. I really like them. Very simple, straightforward, great family meals. Or you can watch this video right here where you can see it made in action. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.